Good morning! Welcome to your morning yoga flow. We'll begin in Child's Pose in Balasana. You can have your knees either to the width of your mat or bring your knees together for a deeper stretch for the low back. Begin to breathe deeply in and out the nose here. And I dare you to smile, even if you haven't had your coffee yet today. Set the tone for your practice and the entire rest of your day right now. One more deep breath in. And come up into hands and knees. Curl the toes under, Adho Mukha Shavasana, downward facing dog. To protect the wrists, spread the fingers wide and press into the second knuckle of each finger as you revolve the arms towards the ears to broaden across the shoulders. Experiment with lifting up on the toes. And then inhale, sweep the right leg up to the sky. Exhale, knee towards your nose, shoulders over wrists. Inhale the leg straight back up. Exhale, right knee to right elbow. Inhale, extend the leg. Exhale, right knee to left elbow. Last time, inhale, extend the leg up. Exhale, release the foot down. Inhale, sweep the left leg up. Exhale, knee towards your nose, shoulders over wrists. Inhale, extend and straighten the leg. Exhale, knee to left elbow. Inhale, extend the leg. And exhale, knee towards your right elbow. Inhale, extend and stretch the leg up and release it all the way down to the mat. Stepping the feet in between the hands. Bring your feet out to the width of the mat and bring your forearms up on top of your thighs for high Malasana or sit all the way down. Press your elbows into your knees. Make sure your toes are going in the same direction as your knees. Lengthen your spine. You can stay here, this is very nice, or sweep your left arm down towards the ground, sweeping your right arm up and to the right. Spreading across the chest, opening up the hips, and if you're still in high Malasana, take a break, straighten your legs, and then come back. Switching sides, open up to the left arm, stretching the right hand to the outside of the knee. Releasing the hands, straighten the legs, make sure your toes point forwards and grab opposite elbows to hang. Cascade forward, allowing your low back to release and lengthen. Then begin to sway side to side, bringing your left elbow to the right corner of the mat and your right elbow to the left corner. Opening up the side body here. Waking up the hamstrings, the backs of the legs, lengthening the spine. After our yoga practice, we want to stand, sit, and move with more length in the spine than we did before our practice. Beginning to slowly roll up, swinging still side to side, as if you're holding a basket or a ball in front of you in your arms as you rotate around, left and to right. Then release the hands and begin to sway and swing your arms from left to right, waking up the spine. Inhale, sweep the arms out and up. Exhale, sit down deep, Utkatasana. Inhale, lengthen the left arm forward, bring your elbow to the outside of the knee. Keep your knees in line with one another. Your feet are together, revolving the heart and your gaze up and to the right. Twists first thing in the morning are a beautiful way to detox, release and relax. Stimulate the digestion. Inhale, stretch the arms out and up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Come up onto the right toes, press your heel to your inner left leg. Bring your foot to your shin or all the way up, avoid the knee area. Hands to heart or extend your arms overhead for tree pose. Check in with your breath. Every inhalation expanding the belly big. Every exhalation, engage your abs, so pull your belly button towards your spine and up. Circle the hands out and around. Inhale, gift your lotus bloom outwards. Exhale, sweep your arms down. So you're opening just your fingertips here for the lotus bloom. and your palms of your hands stay pressed together. Lift the knee up and release the foot down. Inhale, sweep the palms out and up. Exhale, sit down deep. Inhale, stretch the right arm forward and bring your right elbow to the outside of your left knee. Now lengthen the spine. Keep the knees in line with one another as you twist toward the left. Gaze upward. Sit down a little deeper than you want to here. Get your money's worth of this pose. Inhale, stretch the palms out and up. And exhale, hands to your heart. Preparing for tree pose for crescent on the other side. So you can keep your toes on the floor. This is very nice. Bring your heel towards the inside edge of your right ankle. Or bring your foot pressing into your calf or all the way up to the inside of your thigh. And we'll come into the flow with the lotus bloom again on this side if you'd like. To make the lotus bloom, you bring your hands together and then you just separate your fingers apart. You're creating like a circle in between the palms. Moving in the rhythm of your own breath and your own pace and tempo here. Hands to heart, release the foot, then step way back for Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2. Keeping your shoulders over your hips. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, sit down deep. Working with a micro pulse here in the body. On the inhalation, you're pressing into the heel, coming up a little bit, charging the legs with energy. On the exhale, you're sitting down as deep as you can, and your thigh comes as parallel to the floor as possible. Inhale, sweep the front arm over the ear, lean back, and exhale, Parsvakonasana, stretch, create a long line of energy. Flowing here in a side opening flow, moving in the rhythm of your own breath so you never need to match me exactly. Everyone's lung capacity is different. Bring your fingertips to the floor and walk your fingertips out at a diagonal. We want to wake up the fascia planes in the body. Now make sure that both toes point straight towards the outer, so long edge of your mat. You can grab opposite elbows, your calves, or your ankles. Bring your weight more into the balls of your feet and waterfall the spine down. Walking your hands, we're coming into Virabhadrasana 2 on the other side. Revolve up. On the inhalation, lift up. On the exhalation, get down deep with the hips. So to make sure that your shoulders are tracking over your hips, look at your back wrist and make sure it's over your back ankle. Sweeping the front arm over the ear and then revolving down forearm to thigh for Parsvakonasana. Moving into a flow to wake up the side body here. Feeling the long line of energy in Parsvakonasana from the outside edge of the foot through the fingertips. And get down even deeper with the hips, bending even deeper into the front knee. Release your fingertips down to the earth and walk them out at a diagonal. Pull the hips back, find traction in the spine, and then revolve the feet so that they face the long edge of the mat. Coming down, bending your knees, sitting on your heels. Perhaps you can bring one hand up or both of the hands up, squeezing the inner thighs together. Look over your right shoulder, and then look over your left shoulder. Release your fingertips to the earth, straighten your legs out along the mat. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, stretch forward. Inhale halfway up, and now fold deeply into your forward fold. Flex your feet towards you and find even more length in the spine before using the belly to fold deeper. Inhale, come back up, and exhale, rolling slowly down onto your back, grabbing onto your outer shins or the outside edges of your feet, and then bringing your low back, your sacrum, back down to the mat or towards the mat. Pulling the feet down to the left and right side of the body, here in happy baby pose. Remembering here that you are important, you are kind, and you are powerful. Releasing the feet, pulling the knees into the chest, roll up, cross legs, set an intention for your day. Namaste.